Hello YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I start radish and carrot seeds in a planter. So the first step is to choose a planter which has at least 18 inches deep and 20 to 22 inches wide, and then fill it up with your favorite organic potting soil. Next, we spread the seeds around the outer perimeter as shown here, and then then we are ready to move on to the carrot seeds. We do the same. We spread them gently in the center of the pot as shown here, and then we take some more potting soil, cover them the seeds gently. A thin layer of potting soil should be enough for these seeds to sprout and grow. The both the seed types they grow underground, so the reason for choosing the planter with 18 inches depth and spacing them out will help them with the overcrowding and competition among the seedlings. We can thin them out once the seedlings emerge. Um, Here you can see I'm breaking up any clumps in the soil that I spread on top of the seeds, and we water it thoroughly in, and in about a week we should see the radish seeds sprout, and I'm watering them up with a spray bottle, and that's it. Thanks for watching.